Welcome to our channel. Today we are reading a multifunctional meter data on S7-200 PLC. Let's start. Open the browser and search the manual of your model. This is my model. Open it and scroll down. Find the Modbus content. This is, click on here and this is the address list. Let's open program. Main OV. Take one NO, always on. Go to library, RTU library, then drag and drop the block. In right hand side, the meter settings. The mode is for PPI and Modbus selection. We need to write one here, 0 for PPI. Then add always true. Then baud rate is 9600. Look the meter pictures. The port 0 is integrated port. We are using integrated port. Then drag and drop message block. Clock pulse for requesting to read or write the data. The slave address is 3. We are reading the data, so this is 0 for read and 1 for write. So we are reading the data, then we will put the 0. Zero 3 and 04 function code. Zero 04 is input register and 03 is holding register. We are going through input register. Then our starting address is 3002 Then put the length. Look, the starting address is from 1. We are reading up to 100. And this is storage address. Now right click on program blocks, then library, suggest address. This is from 0. Right click on program blocks, then library, suggest address. I'm setting from 5000, then press OK. Check again. This is 5000. Then compile it. Then download it to the controller. Select all, then download it. Now open status chart, then put the address, starting address, which we configure on Modbus log. Look, the data is coming. Look, the first is line to neutral voltage, L2 to N, and this is L3 to N. This is phase voltage. Look, the meter right side. for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe.